Marunong ka ba sa social media? Magaling ka ba sa mga trends? If yes, this might be the perfect opportunity for you. Alam niyo ba na pwede pa kayong humabol to get a remote job and earn money this holiday season? It's not too late to become a social media assistant. In today's video, I will walk through paano magkaroon ng trabaho online at makapag-apply sa company ito. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Kath. I'm a social media VA at dito maghahambing tayo at magbibigay ako ng mga ideya where to find side hustle, home-based jobs, ESL jobs, tips, tools at lahat-lahat na nalalaman ko based on my experience as a VA. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated. Let me introduce to you Wing. They're on a mission to redefine the future of work by helping businesses build world-class teams and streamline their operations. At Wing, they're looking to grow their remote team and they currently have a social media position available. At marami pa silang hiring positions where you can check it sa kanilang Facebook group at saka kanilang website. So what exactly does a social media assistant do at Wing? Well, here's the breakdown. Your main task will include uploading and creating engaging multimedia content, managing day-to-day interactions, and analyzing industry-related trends. You will also be in charge of developing content calendars, collaborating with internal teams, and managing customer feedback. You will be expected to research influencers, assist in running on campaigns, and do general administration tasks. So it's a mix of creativity and strategy, perfect for someone who loves working with social media. Now let's talk about the qualifications. You will need at least a bachelor's degree in any field or certified course in marketing or business. A minimum of 2 years of experience in social media or related field is required. You should also be proficient in English communication skills, both written and verbal. Solid organizational and time management skills are essential, plus experience in graphic design software like Photoshop, Illustrator, or InDesign will give you an edge. And of course, since this is a remote job, there are some technical requirements. Kailangan ninyo ng USB headset with noise cancellation, a working webcam, and a computer with at least 4 GB RAM are a must. You need also a strong internet connection, at least 25 Mbps for your main internet and at least 10 Mbps for your backup connection. So ano ang makukuha natin dito sa Wing? Dapat kayo mag-apply dito kasi aside from the flexibility of working from home, they offer also health insurance, paid training, performance incentives, career growth opportunities, and of course, holiday pay and overtime pay. Sobrang ganda talaga ng opportunity dito sa Wing, lalong-lalo na papunta tayo sa holiday season. So, if you are looking for a growth in your career, Wing also has a very supportive team and fun work environment. Now, let's go to the salary. So, meron po silang 3 levels of their salary. So, magdidepende po siya sa experience ninyo. First is the entry level. So, from 1 to 3 years of experience, you will get up to 28,000. For intermediate level, 3 to 5 years, you will receive a salary of up to 42,000. And for expert level, that is plus 5 years, then you will have a salary of 50,500 up. So, that's really not bad, right, mga hunters? because it's a work from home opportunity at saka flexible din sila.
So, how to apply? This is the website of wingassistant.com. Tapos, check nyo lang yung Wing Jobs. So, dito tayo sa Philippines. Tapos, ito yung mga current hirings nila, sales scholar. So, if you are watching this video, tapos meron kayong nagustuhan iba, then, i-open nyo lang yan. So, hanapin natin itong social media assistant. So, here are the qualifications and requirements. Tapos, ito yung mga benefits din nila. So, as I said, na-mention ko kanina, so, meron din silang job security and stability. Okay? At saka performance incentives. So, this is, the schedule is US work hours, 20 to 40 hours per week. So, please note, only qualified candidates will be invited to take the assessment and scheduled for an interview. So, if hindi kayo na send ng message, then baka hindi kayo nakapasa sa first assessment. Okay, and then, click apply for this job. So, kailangan nyo lang is yung resume or your CV, so your full name, email, phone number, location, current company, if you are working from another company. Tapos, your LinkedIn ninyo. Dapat meron kayong LinkedIn. Tapos, who referred you this position? You can mention my YouTube channel. Tapos, if you have website. Tapos, kailangan, as a social media assistant, kailangan meron kayong portfolio. So, ilagay nyo yan dyan. Desired salary. So, earliest start date, especially, gusto natin magsimula agad. Then, agad-agad lagay niyo dyan. Work weekends and your experience level, currently employed, notice period. Ito, sagutan nyo lang itong mga questions na nandito. Okay, yung speed test, click nyo lang yan. Tapos mag-run na yan yung speed test. Remember, kailangan 25 Mbps. And backup, and also computer specification. And here, add a cover letter or anything you want to share. And then, click submit. So, yun lang, kadali ang pag-apply dito. So, don't forget also to follow the official Facebook page to stay updated on their latest job openings. At para makapag-follow up din kayo sa applications ninyo.
If you want to stand out in your application, here are some tips. Highlight your experience. So, kailangan i-showcase ninyo yung social media experience ninyo if you have. Especially if you work on content creation, customer interaction, or ad management. Second, show off your creativity. So, as a social media assistant or manager, kailangan meron po kayong portfolio. So, doon sa portfolio, employers will love to see what you've worked on. So, ito yung makikita yung graphics, yung video editing skills ninyo, at saka mga results ng Facebook ads campaign ninyo. And lastly, be proactive. Don't just wait for a response. Show your enthusiasm by following up after your application. Okay lang yung mag-follow up kasi it means na you are really eager na magkaroon ng trabaho. Baka natabunan lang yung application ninyo, kaya always kayong mag-follow up. Also, remember, Wing is looking for someone with strong time management and organization skills. So, be sure to emphasize those qualities in your cover letter and during your interview. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng additional income this Christmas season, with the right skills and a bit of hard work, you can be part of the Wing team. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated. Also, follow our Facebook page and TikTok account for more hiring tips at saka updates. Thank you for always watching and happy hunting!